Hi, baby. Um, when you were born, everybody said you look like your papa. And as you grew up, in somewhere in between, you started looking like me a little bit. And then now, after taking off your hair, and when your hair is coming back, now everybody started saying you look exactly like your papa. Yeah, I'm waiting for the day when you start looking like me a little bit, maybe. Okay, anyways, let's see this. Jiku, Jiku, you look like your papa. This is papa. You look like papa. Yes? Yes? Yes, you look like papa. So today we are going to make a breakfast. It's called Paddu. You know it already. So we are adding 2 cups of rava, 1.5 cups of curd. We mix it to reach like a idli batter. First we have to mix it, and it's very hard, you see. So we'll add water and mix it more, but it's still going to soak up all the water. So we'll keep adding water until we reach a idli batter consistency. This is almost done, but it will require more water. So, here we are going to chop all the vegetables: carrots, cauliflower, capsicum, and onions. Green chilies also can be used. Since you are going to eat it, I have not used green chilies, but I love green chilies in this. Then we'll add like 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil, and we'll fry this all the vegetables. This is like 2 cups of vegetables. So we're going to fry it all for some time, and then we'll add salt to it. Here we go, a little salt, and I'm going to sprinkle a little water and cover it. When it is done, I'll add the coriander leaves. Here's the coriander leaves, and this is almost cooked. All the vegetables are tender. So we are going to take it and add it to the batter, suji batter. Mix it well and add water until we reach that idli batter consistency. This is almost done. Now I'll add fruit salt to it, Eno, which helps a lot in making it fluffier. So 1 pack of Eno I'm using. You can use baking soda also. And this is done. This is a Paddu pan or Aebleskiver pan. So this is very useful, very useful. I'll get to it later. So here we are putting a little oil in it, and we'll spoon about 1 tablespoon of batter to it. When it is hot, the oil should be hot, otherwise it will stick to the pan. And after spooning all the batter, we are going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Last one, here we go, and we'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and see how the color has come up at the end. Then we just take a spoon or a fork or a skewer, and we just flip it. It is not very hard to flip, but we have to be a little tricky, carefully. Okay, so here it is. We cooked it for 3 more minutes, and then it is ready. Let's see how you like it. What are you eating, Jiko? What is that? Kanchi? What is the name of that? Paddu. Paddu. Is it tasty?